Rich Daily Cream provides long-lasting moisture, strengthens moisture barrier for normal, dry and sensitive skin. 72 Hours Moisturizing, low-irritant, clinically proven to strengthen and restore skin's moisture barrier. Apply to face and neck after cleansing and serums morning and evening. If used in the AM, follow with SPF. A rich facial cream for with dry, sensitive skin. Triple action formula immediately hydrates dry skin. Clinically proven to strengthen and replenish skin's moisture barrier. Promotes long-lasting moisture to protect against recurring dryness. No fragrances, preservatives/parabens, colorants, mineral oils, animal origin ingredients. Hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. Top reviews from the United States. One of the best facial products I've ever used. I have used Lancome for the past 10 years and Estee Lauder for 5 years before Lancome. I've known about Physiogel but never tried and I regret not using it earlier. I've been using Physiogel for about 2 months and this is my main moisturizer now. No more wasting so much money on high-end brands.